Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we're reviewing a 2025 GMC 2500 AT4X AEV edition. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Rusty during Chevrolet for allowing me time with this vehicle. Please reach out to Evan for all your vehicle needs. Powering this GMC AT4X HD is the 6.6 liter Duramax Turbo Diesel V8 engine, producing 470 horsepower and 975 pound-feet of torque through a 10-speed automatic transmission. Starting in the front here, you see we do get the red GMC logo and the black grille along with the AT4X emblem right there. We do have this hood scoop up top, which does allow airflow to the engine. We have these massive headlights up front with your DRLs. You can see they kind of wrap around the side. So as mentioned, this is the AEV edition. So we do get these AEV steel bumpers. You'll see your integrated fog lights, your recovery hooks right here, parking sensors, AEV stamp there. Then here's your diesel plug, your engine block heater, and your AEV emblem right there. Going along the side of this vehicle, we do get these amber running lights on the side of this fender flare. Then we get the 6.6 liter Duramax badge on this side as well. Taking a look at this tire setup, these things are massive. 305/70 R18s. We do get the AEV edition wheels, as you can see there. These are Salta brand and they are black, as you can see. And then up front suspension, we get the Multimatic DSSVs, super smooth riding suspension. No complaints about that. We have these massive tow mirrors, they are black. And we have the AT4X HD emblem. This emblem's massive. You can see how big it is compared to my hand. Then we have the AEV skid plates, rock rails on this side. And I'll mention also that we have the AEV metal skid plates underneath here that go all the way back. So now we'll take a look at the back. We do get a side step. This has about 11.8 inches of ground clearance, so it is a very, very tall truck. Kind of hard to get in and out of. We only have the rock rails there. Here's your fuel cap. Coming around the back, we also get the AEV steel rear bumper as well. And then you get the AEV badge also. This bumper, high clearance bumper, recovery hooks, towing hookups, towing hitch. Then you have this massive exhaust there for your diesel engine. Full size spare tire, AT4X emblem right here. You'll see the tailgate is two-toned. It is the multi-flex tailgate. You see on a lot of Chevy and GMCs. It's also nice to have. Power tailgate also opens with your key fob, which we can take a look at. Pretty standard lock unlock, tailgate, and auto remote start. And just the GMC logo on the back. This is bed lined. We have our handle there to help us step up into it. This is fitted with the for a gooseneck trailer, a fifth wheel also. We'll take a look at that. plug in right here, and you do get the bed lights, 3 tie downs in each corner. Shutting the tailgate. We will talk about towing as well. I think the max tow rating on this vehicle is around 18,000 pounds. You also see kind of these black tinted rear taillights. Overall, very cool truck. We'll take a look at the sticker here in a second. This is one of the, and you also, let's talk about this. So you see, obviously we have the AEV bumpers. You'll see the cutout there. I don't think you'll be off-roading this on any trails because of how wide this truck is, but it does have a 29.8 degree approach angle and a 25.7 degree departure angle. Wheelbase is 159 inches. That's also massive, so your breakover angle is not going to be very good. But people are probably buying this truck to cruise around in, maybe tow every once in a while. Really, you're probably buying this truck so you can be the biggest and baddest on the road. At least that's why I would buy this truck. Let's take a look inside. Black door handles. Oh yeah, let's take a look at this sticker here. 2500 crew cab AT4X in the Summit white exterior. It has the Obsidian Rush interior. Pretty standard on the GMCs. So base price $83,200. 6.6 liter turbo diesel adds $9,990. AT4X AEV edition $9,300. The gooseneck fifth wheel package $545. And there's a Sirius XM subscription for $299. So your total options are over 20 grand, which brings this thing after destination to $105,619. Very expensive truck. Probably one of the most capable trucks on the market. Also, taking a look at this door. I mean, I'm 5'11", and this thing goes up. You can see here, this thing goes up to almost my waist. It's a super tall truck. Payload 2,611 pounds. Not very good for a truck this size. Interior super luxurious, soft touch everywhere, memory seats, massive Bose speakers here, quite a bit of storage in here, a little bit in there. Taking a look, we have the parking brake, 4 auto, 4 high, 4 low, and this does have a 2-wheel drive. Here's your lighting controls, large vents, soft touch up here. Here's your heads-up display control, power steering wheel adjustments. Taking a look at the seats, let's take a look. We have an AT4X badge right here. Power seats. These are leather, so you can see, and these also, this is fresh off the truck, so these still have plastic on it. Not sure if y'all can see that, but your seats do get stamped with the AEV badge in the front. Hopping in, let's see if I can get into this thing. We do have a leather wrapped handle there. Engine start stop. You can hear that diesel. Just taking a look here. The steering wheel is kind of small, but it is leather wrapped. Adaptive cruise on this side. All your controls for the mode right there for your gauge cluster. Here's your drive modes. As you can see on the right, you change that with this knob here. So you really just have off-road and normal. Taking a look, we have this massive infotainment screen. You can see it's kind of split into 2 screens. You can kind of customize this side to whatever you want. This side here, take a look at our cameras. That's what everybody wants to see. As you can see, it doesn't take up the whole screen, but that's what most of these GM trucks are. Has every camera you would want, 360, bed camera, side cameras, which is nice in a truck this large. Coming down here, we have our climate control, And then all these buttons down here: exhaust brake, lane keep assist, parking sensors, tailgate, windows down. We do get a rear locker and hill descent control. On this side we get a leather wrapped glove box there and a normal glove box below. Then we have a bunch of storage up here, a trailer brake controller, 2 cup holders, wireless charging. You do get this AT4X leather wrapped console, which is very nice. 2 cup holders back there, and then this massive console with the tray. Let's hop out. Top out and listen to this engine. Pretty standard. Sounds like a diesel. Pretty neat there. So now we'll take a look at the back seat. Quite a bit of room in the back. This seat is leaned all the way back for some reason. Your door trim, we do get 2 more Bose speakers on the door. Just your window controls, pretty standard. It is soft touch. We have the storage in the seats, always cool to see. Cup holders there. Heated seats in the back, 2 vents, 2 USB ports. Then we get the, this also has a sunroof, I forgot to mention up top. And then a very, this is kind of suede. You can see the cutouts here, plenty of room in the back for your passengers, and a power rear view window. Fortunately, we cannot drive this truck today because, as I mentioned, it just came off, I think yesterday. So I have to get it checked in and everything. But overall, extremely large truck, extremely cool looking truck. A little too big for my taste, a little too expensive for my taste. But there's a market. This thing probably won't last long. There's a good shot of your Multimatic suspension. Rear locker, you can probably get about anywhere with this truck as long as it fits. So as always, thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe. And we will see you on the next one.